Okay, I've got a Nintendo Switch Lite that is totally dead to the world. So let's see what's going on. That's not good. Bent pins inside. Let's get that charge port replaced. That's not good. Plenty of damaged pins there. So with the charge port off, now what we need to do, because of the damage, we just need to check around the charging chips, the power chips, for any potential shorts, because if there is, we then have to change this chip. So we'll put a black probe on ground and just do some checks on the surrounding capacitors. Everything's good. Okay, with the charge port and half assembled, let's see how we get on. And yes, that's a good sign. Nice.